everyone, we are from Group 6. We will do a presentation about sales tax on luxury goods. Our members are Milati Fahdiansyah Putri and my friend Nadia Laila Fitri and Nabila Ria Natasha. First presentation by Nadia Laila. Here it is.
First, meaning of sales tax on luxury goods. Sales tax on luxury goods is an objective tax levied in Indonesia on the sale of luxury goods, both domestic and imported. It is a single state tax imposed at the time of the sale of the luxury good, and the tax subject is the sale of the goods. The tariff luxury tax varies depending on the type of luxury good, with some items subject to rate as high as 75%. Characteristic and basis for imposing sales tax on luxury goods. Characteristic number 1. Indirect tax. The ultimate burden of luxury tax is borne by consumer who purchase luxury goods, not the seller. Number 2. Single tax. Luxury tax is only levied on at the point of sale of luxury goods. Number 3. Self-assessed tax. Seller of luxury goods who act as taxpayer are responsible for calculating, reporting, and paying luxury tax to the government. Number 4. Objective tax. Luxury tax is imposed on certain types of luxury goods, the taxpayer or the taxpayer ability to pay tax. Imposition basis of luxury tax. Number 1. Type of luxury goods. Luxury tax is only imposed on types of luxury goods that have been designed by the government in regulation. Number 2. Selling value of luxury goods. Luxury tax is calculated based on the selling value of luxury goods, which is the selling price of luxury goods to consumer. Number 3. Luxury tax rate. The luxury tax rate varies depending on the type of luxury good. Some luxury goods are subject to high rates of up to 75%. Okay, next will be explained by my friend.
Explain the next matter about value-added tax luxury goods (PPNBM) rates in Indonesia. Motor vehicles. Number 1. Cars with NGKM above Rp 200 million, together with 10% up to 100% based on NGKM and exhaust gas emissions. Number 2. Motorcyclists with NGKM above Rp 25 million, together with 10% up to 100% based on NGKM. Number 3. Yachts and private planes, together with 200%. Next, property. Number 1. House with NGOP above Rp 2 billion, together with 1% up 20% based on NGOP. Number 2. Apartment with NGOP above Rp 5 billion, together with 1% up 20% based on NGOP. Number 3. Condominiums with NGOP above Rp 5 billion, together with 1% up 20% based on NGOP. Number 4. Land with NGOP above Rp 2 billion, together with 1% up 20% based on NGOP. Next, other goods. Number 1. Electronics, 10%. Number 2. Jewelry, 10%. Next, fashion goods, 10%. Next, alcoholic beverage, 20% up 75% based on alcohol content. Luxury watches 10%, perfume 10%, luxury musical instruments 10%, luxury sport equipment equipment 10%, firearms and ammunition 40%.
Next, calculate sales tax on luxury goods. Percentage method. This method is the most common for calculating PPNBM. It involves multiplying the PPNBM rate by the taxable base. First, PPNBM rate. The PPNBM rate for a specific type of luxury goods can be found in the Minister of Finance regulation related to PPNBM. To taxable base, the DPP for PPNBM is generally the selling price of goods. Example, calculate the PPNBM for a car with NGKM of 300 million that is subject to a 20% PPNBM rate. DPP 300 million PPNBM rate 20% PPNBM 300 million by 20% equal 16 million. So the PPNBM that must be paid for the car is 16 million. Table method. Some types of luxury goods have PPNBM table issued by the Directorate General of Tax. This table contains a list of NGKM and corresponding PPNBM rate for the specific type of luxury goods. To calculate PPNBM using a table, find the NGKM of the luxury good in the table and see the corresponding PPNBM rate, then multiply the PPNBM rate by the NGKM to get the PPNBM that must be paid. Example, calculate the PPNBM for a motorcycle with NGKM of 28 million. Find NGKM 28 million in the PPNBM table for motorcycle. Suppose the corresponding PPNBM rate 15%. PPNBM 28 million by 15% equal 42 million. So the PPNBM that must be paid for the motorcycle 42 million. Next, reporting and crediting of value added tax and luxury goods. PPNBM reporting. PPNBM reporting is carried out by taxable entrepreneur who collect PPNBM using the periodic PPN notification letter. The following are the reporting steps: making a periodic VAT SPT. PKP must make a periodic VAT SPT using the periodic VAT SPT 1111 form. This form can be downloaded on the Directorate General of Tax website or via the SPT application. PPNBM crediting. PPN cannot be credited with VAT or other PPNBM. This means that PKP can reduce PPNBM that has been paid with PPNBM or VAT collected from buyer.